complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. Today is a listening class to hear what you learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Great, Emma. I am ready to listen.
Perfect. Listen for simple words and useful everyday phrases. Vocabulary. Physical descriptions. Grammar. Can and can't.
Those sound useful for real life.
Exactly. You will hear people ask for help, give simple answers, and describe people naturally.
Nice. Let's start.
Great. Now let's listen to the main dialogues. Clothing store. Excuse me, can I try this jacket?
Yes, you can. The fitting room is on the right.
Thanks. I am tall, so I need a large size.
This one is large, and it looks good with your blonde hair.
Nice. Can you help me with the price?
Of course. It is $20 today.
Great. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Please use this card machine.
Phone repair shop. Hi. Can you check my phone?
Sure. What is the problem?
I can't hear calls.
I can test the speaker now.
Thank you. Can I wait here?
Yes, you can. That chair is free.
Are you the young technician? My friend talked to you.
Yes, I am. I can fix many small problems today.
Apartment viewing. Hello, can I see the small apartment?
Yes, you can. Please come in.
It is nice. Can I open the window?
Yes, you can. The street is quiet.
I can't use stairs every day. Is there an elevator?
Yes, there is. You can use it anytime.
Good. Can I move in next week?
Yes, you can, if the papers are ready.
Hair salon. Hi, can you cut my hair today?
Yes, I can. What style do you want?
I have long hair, but I want short hair.
Okay. Do you want straight hair today?
No, my hair is curly. Can you keep the curls?
Yes, I can.
Great. Can I see a photo first?
Sure. Here are 3 simple styles.
Airport help desk. Excuse me, I can't find gate B12.
I can help. Your gate is down this hall.
Thank you. Can I take this small bag on the plane?
Yes, you can. It fits under the seat.
Great. Can I buy water after security?
Yes, you can. There's a shop there.
Is the tall man at the desk checking passports?
Yes, he is. You can go to him now.
Hi, I am new here. Can I ask a question?
Of course. Welcome to the building.
Can I put my bike near the door?
Sorry, you can't. The door must stay clear.
Okay. Can I use the bike room?
Yes, you can. It is downstairs.
Thank you. You are very kind.
No problem. I am the man with short hair in apartment 3B.
Good work, Nexo. These real dialogues help us hear English in simple situations.
Yes, I noticed can and can't in many useful questions.
Exactly. Listening in context makes the words easier to remember.
I also heard some descriptions of people.
Great job. Goodbye, Nexo, and goodbye, everyone.